Howdy again, folks. Still Saturday, 29 January, Anno Domini 2022. Blazing our own trail here at Avery Farms Trails, Groton Outdoor Space Association Trails. Some farmland, old farmland. How's it going? Antifa Katie following me. Blazing this trail. We're probably in some spots in like 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet deep of snow. Pretty fun. You guys can see that. What'd you say?
We're gonna get over 2 feet of snow.
This nor'easter though, right? I don't know if it's nor'easter. You what?
I hope work is canceled on Monday.
Katie hopes work is canceled on Monday, so then we can go skiing again. Cool little fields out here. A great spot to watch the sunset. Looking west right now. It's open fields over there.